You are going to love the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.